Hello, my name is Alpern Yashar, and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. Today, I'm going to be showing you the Alert History tab on the Swift Sensors console. The Alert History tab shows you all the alerts that were triggered on your account. Starting from the top, you can select to view a specific date range and what type of alert you want to see within the Alerts History page. You could also search for a specific alert or sensor that you want to see the history for. On the list, it will show you the amount of alerts that were sent in that time frame you chose. Alerts at the top of the list are the events that were triggered the earliest. The line tells you the alert sent time, the alert name, what time it was when the alert was triggered, what criteria the alert was, and which users received the alert. If you click on the alert in the alert history, it will take you back to the temperature chart where you can reference the event that triggered the alert. That is the alerts history page in the Swift Sensors console. If you have any more questions, please visit www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.